What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial addresses the recent concerns regarding the rune system in Archero 2, based on the feedback from the community. The goal is to provide clear insights on how to understand the game mechanics to become a pro in Archero 2. As for me, my first step is to know your weapons. Every weapon has pros and cons depending on what suits your playstyle. For me, as you can see on the screen, I use a laser weapon because of the fire rate of the laser, unlike the arrows. As of now, the cons I know for laser weapons are that when you get a large arrow buff, it will remove the laser weapon, and you will fire a giant arrow instead of a giant laser. My second tip is to choose your buff wisely. Not only do the weapons have pros and cons, even the buffs have pros and cons too. The reason is that it will affect your gameplay depending on your weapons and buffs. Like I said earlier, where if you use a laser weapon but you pick the giant arrow buffs, your weapon will fire giant arrows instead of lasers. Buffs can be useful to your gameplay, especially when you play a stage but your character is not ready for the stage you want to finish. My third and last step is to get good. Weapons and buffs can be helpful to your gameplay, but they are not enough to finish all stages you want to finish. You just have to get good at your gameplay. Understanding the system in Archero 2 is essential for enhancing your gameplay. By advocating for better explanations, comparing with successful models for other games, and staying informed about updates, players can make informed decisions about their rune purchase. Engaging with the community and providing feedback will be the key to driving improvements in the game. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.